guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then hi, I'm Tavishi, your girl next door. Today's video is not going to be a DIY video, it's not going to be skincare, and it's not going to be makeup. Instead, today's video is about a bag, and you would have guessed it from the title, of course. But I'll brief you what I'm going to do in this video. So I wanted to do like a what's in my bag video, but I thought I'll make it a bit more interesting. And I am going to style this bag also in couple of ways, and I will tell you why I have been loving this particular bag, what is my take on it. So this is going to be a very inclusive video, and if you're interested to know about everything that I have just mentioned, then please stay tuned with me. And now without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the very first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna talk about this particular bag a little bit first. So this bag that I've been using, this particular sling bag is from the brand called Zouk. Now I'm pretty sure that you must have heard about this particular brand because I have been seeing the advertisement quite a lot over my social media pages, and I've been very impressed with the kind of versatility that they have in their range of product. Also, like, they have all sorts of bags. They have laptop bags, tote bags, sling bags, wallets, everything. Like any need that you have as a girl or as a woman, it's there, and each category has a lot of varieties to choose from, which is what I really like, because jitni aapko categories milti hai, jitna aapko options milta hai, utna it's better to select from. So that is one thing that I really like about this particular brand. The second thing that I really appreciate is that this is a 100% vegan brand. However, ये जो belt and side से जो patches हैं, this brown section that you see, this belt that you see, it's very high quality, but this is not leather. Like, you will get the feel that this is leather, but this is not really leather. This is 100% vegan brand. I would like to repeat that. Now about this particular bag, this is very sturdy. First of all, I'm someone, I carry like a lot of products with myself whenever I'm going out, even if it's like for grocery shopping. Honestly, अगर grocery shopping के लिए है तो in general लोग wallet लेके चले जाएंगे, but I will not leave like that. I need a bag. For that also I will need a bag, and if I'm traveling then I would need like a bigger bag. But in general, if I'm just in and about the town, I like to carry a sling bag. Now the problem with sling bags is that sling bags are smaller in size, and it doesn't really, like all sling bags, it's not good for me because the amount of saman I carry, it just doesn't fit in that, and it's very annoying because I do feel that I need all those products and I can't cut short on that. So my choice of sling bags is always something that has enough space for the products that I want to carry. But the best part of this thing is that this has like a back pocket, which is cherry on the cake, because back pockets, the best thing, the best usage that I do is I keep my phone in the back pockets, because usually our attires, especially if I'm wearing Indian, I will not have pockets, right, to keep my phone, and then it becomes a headache to carry the phone everywhere. But you need the phone, of course, right? So it makes this particular zip now, it makes my life so much easier. Anything that I want handy, suppose I'm traveling and I need like my ID card very handy, I can just keep it in this pocket. Because ये जो pocket है ना, this is also very deep. Okay, this is the best part of this product, and the zips are very sturdy. Okay, like it doesn't feel fragile at all. This is very sturdy, good quality. Stitch is very nice. And this part of all their bags, they use cloth of ikhat. Like the print at least is ikhat. I'm not sure about what exact material is this, लेकिन ये print तो ikhat का है. And I love ikhat prints. Like, I have a lot of kurtas also in ikhat prints because it's just very unique and gives a very Indo-Western look, which I personally really enjoy. And I like subtle colors, but the thing is that you can select anything loud also. They have all kind of patterns in this. I will leave the link of the website in the description box, so please do make sure that you do check that out to find out everything that they have in their range. But this cloth material is also very nice. It's very soft, and it gives a very unique look to the bag. And inside this, I will talk about what I have in my bag, but inside this also, there is a zip. So zip na, side zips, what it does in my life is that if I have small things, I can categorize those and I don't feel like पर्स कुआं बन गया है और कुएं से मैं सामान निकाल रही हूँ. It becomes very difficult otherwise, right? If you don't have sections in compartments. This is a sling bag, so there is no compartment section, but there is a zip and there is a zip outside. So if I have tiny bit of stuff to keep, I can nicely organize those. So that's about the making of this bag. Also the sling bag that you see, it's adjustable, and I will talk about this more in detail later on in this video when I'm styling this bag, and I'll tell you why this is very handy to be able to, you know, adjust the strap, which I think is common, but I'll tell you how you can use it to style it in different ways. So that was about the structure of the bag, but now let's start with what do I really carry in this bag, and I will tell you ki kitna ye spacious hai, because so I carry a lot of stuff. You will see that when I take it out and everything just fits, and now usme abhi bhi jagah hai. There is still space in this, which is the best thing, right? Okay, so the very first thing that's coming out of my hand from this bag is this sanitizer, of course, because abhi COVID chal raha hai and I like to carry a spray sanitizer. This is from Lifebuoy. Nothing great about this sanitizer, very common, but I like to carry this because if I'm sitting in a cab or I'm like using a public transport or any product that I don't want to touch just like that, I like to spray this and then I like using it. So this one is a spray sanitizer. The next thing that's coming out of this bag is this wallet. This is also a very compact wallet, really nice. This one is from High Design, if I'm not mistaken, and their tribal range. This is a good wallet, quite a lot of space, and we all need wallet. Who doesn't need a wallet, right? And I carry my cards, cash, all the ID cards and everything that's necessary in this. So obviously, if I'm stepping out, this has to be there in my bag. The next thing that's coming out is again a sanitizer. So I like to carry 2 sanitizers. This is a very tiny bottle because I like to carry sling bags. So accordingly, मैंने size sanitizer का लिया हुआ है. This is a liquid sanitizer which I like to use to clean my hands. The spray one is for the objects and this is for my hands. I know it probably is a little bit, but COVID May I've been carrying 2 sanitizers with me. So this is the third product. Okay, so from the bag, the fourth stuff that's coming out is a comb. Now you see the size of this comb is quite, like, it's very small, but ye jo comb hai na, this doesn't fit in all the sling bags, which is what a problem because I have to carry a comb. I don't know, like, I don't think I use comb. Once I step out, I don't think I care about really brushing my hair every now and then because touch-ups is not something that I do unless I'm in a party, which I think we have just forgotten about. I don't think any of us is still attending parties and all. Anyway, I don't use it much, but ye mere psychology mein hai that I have to carry a comb. If I'm not carrying a comb, I become very weird. Like I feel like कि मुझे ज़रूरत पड़ जाएगी तो मैं क्या करूँगी? But generally I don't use it, but I still carry it with me. So this is the fourth stuff from my bag. Okay, the next thing that's coming out is my headphones, which is entangled a little bit. Okay, so the next thing that's coming out is this particular headset. This is not a headset, this is the Bluetooth earphones. This is from MI, quite cheap and very nice. I really like it. I've been using it for the past 1.5 years. Battery backup is really nice. Of course, headphones is necessary because we sit in cabs, we travel, and मैं जब भी cab वगैरह में बैठती हूँ अगर मैं music नहीं सुन सकती तो I get really annoyed. So this is like a mandatory thing for me to carry. I cannot leave the house without my headphones. Okay, next important thing that's coming out of the bag are these charging products. This is the power bank again from MI, and this is my cable to charge my phone because we all know कि phone के बिना तो कुछ नहीं होता आजकल, and I will start panicking if I feel my phone is going to discharge. I need my phone fully charged all the time, and if I'm stepping out for like an entire day, like this usually is not there if I'm going just for like an hour or so because I know that I'll be back in time. But if I have to leave the house for an entire day, I'll carry my wire and this particular power bank. Wire से ये होता है कि even if I'm going to someone's house, then I can use this wires directly from the adapter to charge it. But if I'm like on the go, this one is really important for me. So I think all the necessary items are out, and now I see all the stuff that I carry. I don't know if you guys would carry these and if these are important for you. One thing is this lipstick that's coming out. ये मेरा only makeup है. I only carry a lipstick and that too a nude shade. This one is from Flower Beauty and the shade name is Rosewood. I really like this shade. This is quite suitable on my skin tone and it's not at all loud. It's a very nice mauvey shade and I really like it. The lipstick is also non-drying, so something that I really appreciate, and this is absolutely transfer proof. So one of my favorite lipsticks, definitely this is Flower Beauty, and that is why it is always in my bag. Any bag that I carry, I'll transfer this lipstick and I'll carry it because I know that this can go with any dress. Okay, the other thing that's coming out of this bag is this rubber band, of course, because scrunchies, clips, these things are like always there in any girl's bag because you need to tie your hair. Sometimes you want to just leave it open. If it's hot, you need to tie it up. So if these things are missing, then I will be like, you know, the length of my hair is long and I do need to tie up my hair a lot of times if I'm on the go. But like I'm someone who like to keep the hair open, but then when it becomes, you know, difficult to manage, obviously you have to tie it up. तो ये rubber band मेरे bag में हमेशा रहता है. Okay, so ये compartment is now empty. So I would like to show you like this much space you actually get to keep stuff. And you saw that my sanitizer bottle and the comb and all these things are quite big and there was still some space left. And if suppose it's hot and I'm carrying my shades, even the case of that shades will fit in this. Utna space was left. So that's the thing, it's very inclusive. Like I can keep everything that I need in this bag. And now we'll talk about, now I'll tell you like what I was talking about. This is the second compartment. This is a small zip that you get and this is also quite deep. So ye wala bhi is very empty at the moment because I usually think that I carry a lot of stuff, but when I fit it in this bag, I feel that there is a lot of space left in this bag, which is the best part because then it makes me feel that no, you are not over carrying stuff. You are carrying exactly what you need. And that helps me to keep my sanity, honestly. Okay, so in this compartment, I like to keep stuff that I'm highly possible to like miss out. Like all the small things, right? So the first thing that's coming out is this tip top clip. Right, because your bangs are coming out, you have fringes side mein, you just want to tie up your hair. Like we know, girls know the importance of this tip top clip in their life. So I think everybody, all of us just carry it. I also carry it. A tip top clip is always punched on that particular zip. Like I like to keep it like this so that I don't miss out on that. The second thing that's coming out is this mini perfume. So I like to carry a perfume with me because nobody wants to feel and smell bad. So I always carry this. This one is from Titan Skin and I really like the fragrance of this one. This comes quite handy, very small and very affordable. I think this one was for 500 something and it goes for a long time and it is long lasting. Like ऐसा नहीं है कि मिस्ट की तरह आप इसको लगाओगे एंड थोड़ी देर में इसका स्मेल चला जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं है. इसका स्मेल stays for a long time and that's why I really like it. The other thing that's coming out of this pocket is this mask. So this one is an N95 mask and we all know why we need mask. We definitely need mask and we shouldn't step out of the house without a mask. I obviously wear a mask when I'm stepping out, but I always keep a spare one so that if I do miss out on that or if there is an emergency or if I somehow tend to make it dirty, I have an extra mask in my bag so that I never have to struggle for a mask because COVID time में mask के बिना बाहर नहीं निकल सकते. The other thing that's coming out of my bag and this mini pocket is this lip balm and this is from Burt's Bees. This is my all-time favorite lip balm. This is so nourishing and this is pigmented also. So abhi honestly if I step out I hardly put lipstick. A lipstick, it's there in my bag but I hardly put it because there is no point. You're wearing a mask and I have no interest in taking out my mask and showing lipstick because I think survival is obviously much more important than wearing a lipstick. So I have honestly stopped wearing lipstick. I have stopped buying lipstick and that's why you don't even see that much video of lipsticks on my channel anymore. So lip balm is something that has been the only thing honestly which I'm wearing makeup mein. So I just like this lip balm a lot. This is very nourishing, very very nourishing, and it's highly pigmented, so it makes my life very easy. I don't know if you can see it. Lip balm ka color hai, to matlab it's not dark, but it looks really good on my lips. However, it's not visible, but it's very nourishing and keeps my lips hydrated for a very long time. And the final thing that's coming out of the bag is my house keys. Everybody need a key. There is no surprise in this, so this obviously goes with me wherever I go. And as I mentioned before, this particular zip I use for my phone, which currently is on charge, and I can't show you that. That's that. And I also carry a clutcher with me, और इसकी जगह belt पे ही है. I never keep my clutcher inside the bag because this has to be very very handy. I don't like putting my hands inside the bag to figure out where my clutcher is, because I feel hot and I want to tie my hair and I want my clutcher right away. So guys, that's all that I carry in my bag. Let me know in the comment section below if you think I overcarry or this is normal. So that was about it, and I'm very excited to share this kind of video because I've never done a video like this before, and this is the first time that I'm going to style something for you guys, and I'm very very excited for this. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the styling of this bag. So guys, that was about this video. I hope you liked this one, and if you did, please do not forget to hit that like button, share my channel and subscribe to it. I will be up soon in my next video. Till that time, take care, bye bye, be beautiful and stay very 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 happy.